On the Health Watch tonight, today marks the 25th anniversary of World Mental Health Day. It's a day for education, awareness, and advocacy.
Health reporter Stephanie Stahl is here with more on how the royal family is helping with this effort.
They are stepping up in a big way. You know, mental health disorders affect nearly 12% of the world's population. That's about 450 million people. Well, in Britain, Prince William and his brother Harry are teaming up with health advocates to encourage people to talk about their problems instead of suffering in silence. The young royals are promoting well-being through their Heads Together campaign.
Happy World Mental Health Day.
During their official visits, Princes William and Harry started noticing many people were struggling with mental health issues.
At the core of adult issues like addiction and family breakdown, unresolved childhood mental health issues were often part of the problem.
For this World Mental Health Day, many Brits are abandoning the traditional stiff upper lip for more open conversations about mental illness.
Have a cup of tea.
This is just one of hundreds of tea and talk events where people can speak honestly.
My self-esteem has always been sort of on the floor, and that kind of permanently berating myself, the voice that never ever shuts up.
Experts say millions of people around the world have a variety of mental health conditions, depression being most prominent.
There is still some stigma attached to talking about mental health struggles.
Dana Careless, a counselor with the Philadelphia Department of Behavioral Health, says a recent study showed many teenagers here are also struggling.
Over 30% of Philadelphia high school students reported feeling hopeless or helpless for 2 weeks or more, and that is higher than the national average.
And experts say parents should watch out for signs of depression in teenagers. They can include things like change in eating or sleeping habits or becoming more withdrawn. They also add that talking about feelings in a safe, healthy environment is the first step toward helping people feel better emotionally. And the royal family, wow, they have really done a lot to help remove a lot of that stigma.
Yeah, they're talking about it a lot.
Exactly.
Yeah, to keep having that conversation, Steph. Thank you.